Alright, so now, like, if I press, does that clip that? Clip that? Oh, is it down here? Is that the clip that? Oh, man. Uh, okay, because that's what I want to start doing is, like, alright, wonderful. So, I mean, I don't need it, but, okay, let's get back to it. So what I finished up was, like, this. So what I finished up was, like, this kind of, little implementation for, we have an influence sphere around a particle that will give a player a point. When the player touches this sort of sphere, we want to start moving the particle towards them. And, once they touch the particle, we want to give them a point on the server. Um, you know, all fine and dandy. And so now what we need to do is basically figure out how to say, hey, server, you know, this player touched a particle, I want to give him a point. So, but what I'm thinking is, like, I was thinking remote functions, right? I was like, oh, it must be on the client. The particle is in the workspace. It has to be on the client. But, you know, it's in server storage. It's a server side script, and then I have the server side game handler that clones it and throws it in the map. So, like, and this works. So do I actually need a remote event, or can I use like a like a bindable function maybe? Like, but, like, I don't know if I want the handler in slime ball. That's okay. I mean, I could put a, let me see, like, so I could do, like, so I was gonna call this, like, uh yeah, but, so I'm just trying to figure that out, but we'll figure it out. So let me stop that, and we'll keep moving here. And so we'll call this, like, you know, player touched slime ball. Slime ball touched event. Or, well, I guess it's technically a function. So slime ball touched function. Slime ball would be, I'd put it under it. I mean, like, that's not ideal because I did do parent parent for the particle handler. I mean, it's like, it's either parent parent or child child, I feel like. So whatever. I feel like that's gonna be a weirdly inefficient way to import, like, cause I'm sure gonna have a lot of different events. Yeah. So I'm a little confused right now about like the slime ball touched function, right? So like I guess it's just about like organization. So, I had to do particle handler parent parent to get a reference to this function. And ideally I have like a whole game handler. I guess it's in the script service right now. I mean, I could just have a bunch of events in script service maybe that are like, you can. So here's what I'm thinking. Maybe it's like it's just these. They just live there, and I just go script service, get service, script service, slime ball touch, or something like that, right? So that's what I want to try, and we'll see what happens. Water break. All right, so where were we? I moved the slime ball touched into the server script service, and I want to try to use it. Right, so with the game handler, right, and slime ball's there. That's fine. And so we say, got the run service. Good lord. Okay. We're going to say, right, slime ball touched function. Right, we'll call get service, get actor. That's interesting. That might be a better way to move things. I don't know. I guess, is the particle an actor? I don't know. We'll see if this is inefficient. I don't know. No. Okay. Right, but. Right, and so. I believe we can invoke this. Well, I guess I still need to. I guess, yeah, here's what I do, right? So, I was like, oh, how do I have my, like, finished. Actually, I'm gonna clip that, Xbox. Alright, so, I think I have this imported how I like it, but what I was thinking was, I don't want to have, like, some weird threshold here. I was thinking maybe I could use another event, right? And so I can do, like, I don't want to be checking and weird do math. I don't want to do math. It's more math than I want to. But at least vector math should be optimized. But we are going to say particle dot touch. We're gonna listen to the hit. Basically gonna do the exact same thing as over there as for the influence sphere. But this time, right, we are going to, slime ball touch function invoke with player, right? And so now we're hoping that we get the player, we get the character, whatever, and we can get the name. And I need to handle it. And so I guess this is where I'm hoping, like, I can kind of handle everything in this, like, game handler. And wait, was this still a bindable function? I believe so. So it's a bindable function. And so now in the game handler, I still got to do the same thing, right? And so, all right, we're going to say slime ball touched function is game get service, still server script service, and slime ball. Okay, so we're gonna say slime ball dot on invoke, right? And so we're kind of hoping that they give us a player, and we can just print player dot name, and this is what I'm hoping will work, and this will print. Who knows? Let's try it out. I guess you can only set the callback value. Oh wait, did I like? Whoops. Yeah, it's like you set it, so it's like just. Who knows? right? We say, do I ran? I say that, right? Maybe instead. Right, so now we kind of hope. Oh, can't spell. Oh, wonderful. Right, I'm not printing it anywhere else, am I? Hey. Hey. Okay. So, clip that. So, looks like I got it working. This is what I added to the game handler, right? I imported it and then was having some issues where I was like, I was like setting it like it was an anonymous function, but you have to set it as an equal. So, do it like this. This is what my particle handler looks like. And when I play it, I can see that it is, whenever it smacks me at least, if I can keep away from it long enough, right? And when it touches me, well, it's always printing actually. Maybe it thinks it's always touching me. I don't know. Particle.touched if player slime ball invoke. I don't know. I mean, it seems like it's working at least. It's at least invoking it and giving me a name. So, does this like return anything? Can I like give it like a return, like a, I added the point or something? I mean, I don't want to be like waiting. I don't know what I'm going to do with the return value. So, nah, doesn't matter. And so now what I need to figure out is like keeping points. What's the best way to keep points? So that's what we're going to be investigating, and I'll let you know how it goes. All right. All right. So, I mean, this seems to work fine. I don't think I need to like do anything with acceleration or anything. I mean, it's fine. I can take him in, whatever. All right, let's see. Right. So is right. So is that like a dictionary? So like, because I want to do like you said player name plus one. Hmm. Two five 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 five. So you just like give it. So is this a list? I mean, I guess that makes sense, kind of. I don't know. Hmm. Hmm. All right. So I'm thinking, fuck it. I'll just kind of copy them. Right. So say, shut up. And so can I like, can I do like player, you know? Oh, it says X, and I have to do. That's so weird. Like metadata. What? I don't know. It's weird. All right. And so like I want to be able to say, so, but then how do I? Okay. Fires one. Um, like, like I don't know, dictionaries. They have dictionaries. Okay, okay. So I don't know what the hell is a meta table. I don't know. Yeah. All right. I don't know what all this is. I don't know what all. I mean, maybe it's like setting a dictionary in a dictionary. That might be it. Maybe for like, can I just do that though? I don't know. Maybe you have to tell it. Maybe you have to say that you're doing that with set meta table. I don't know. So whatever. Regardless, we're gonna say, you know, player data, right? At, can I do this right? Like, can I do this? I guess. I guess you want to check first. Otherwise, add one. So it's like, so if player data at player dot name, then we know we can like player name it, or well, we can index into it with no issues, and we'll just say equals whatever it is plus one, and then otherwise I could like, is it elif else if then, and so what? Expected identifier when parsing. What, is it mad because I didn't like do something down here? Like if I print hey, like is that better? No, you're still mad. This so Lua else if then oh okay, so if then I don't know why else. So we know it's not in there, so we were gonna say, how do we add it? It's like without it getting mad at us. So creating, coding, name, whatever, blah blah blah. Okay, yeah, I understand. Right. Okay. Well, this is like the data type. I get what so this is like data type. So you're saying it has attribute name, which is gonna be a string, and health is gonna be that. So, but what I want is, it's gonna be being set dynamically, right? So I don't know if this is gonna work, but let me see. Is there like a set points? That's what I'm looking for, something like that. New player points name equals 0. You can just do that. It doesn't get mad. Okay, I don't even need to check it then. So I can just say, well, I guess I do need to set it to 0, right? Otherwise it's like, it doesn't know what it is. So it's nil or whatever. So we can do that. And then, I don't know, let's just print player data each time. And see, because like it should just be giving me points every time it touches me, I think. Yeah, all right. All right, cool. So, all right, Xbox, clip that. We're going to clip that Xbox. All right, so kind of got it working actually. I mean, I was looking at like meta tables, which I don't think that's a little overkill. I just need a dictionary that's player name, set it 0, and then when it touches me, give me 1. And so now what I need to do is blow up the ball when it's done touching me. So, like right now, I guess I could kind of show you like how it's working. So I console myself. Oh my gosh, smack me. I think I got rid of the print. Sorry, hold on. Yeah, I did. That's funny. So this is just, we'll see like what it is when we call it. It might give me nil. I don't know if this is gonna break things actually. Never mind, hold on. Oh yeah, no, it didn't. It didn't. Let me see. So, see, it's smacking me. Oh, no for a while. Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. I guess all I was doing was this. I think I broke it. So let me try this. Because like I don't know if it's gonna be 0. So if I do this, now it's giving me points. See, yeah, love that. But it's giving me them in an influence sphere. It doesn't seem like I'm touching it, So I don't know, but all we can do now is like go to here and say like, now we need to blow it up. So if we touch, then we say, I guess like would we also want to give it, we want to give it slime balls so we could just get rid of it, or at least this clone. Doesn't even have really a reference to itself. I mean, it might. I guess I could do script.parent and just blow it up, right? So like, right? So I think I could do, yeah, I'll figure that out. But yeah. I can do script.parent, blow it up. That's what I kind of want to do here. So then maybe I'll just do this for now to be like, you see, I told you, touch me. So, and that this is where it's getting, hey, say, I mean, I could even now, because it's like, Has to reference the target player. Set it to null. That's weird. That's weird. Just say target player is nil now. And so now it should stop trying to chase me when it touches me the first time. I think. Until I walk back into the sphere. See, it touched me. And then I was in the sphere. Touched me, stopped. Okay, nice, nice. I think that's kind of what's going on. I think that's working. So that works. I mean, it's like we'll just blow it up. So like, can I like script dot parent, right, and say like blow it up, right? So how do you, can you just like delete, destroy? And I can play a noise, right? Like doo doo doo. I mean, is this too safe? It seems to work. I mean, I can make the pump just clone them, right? So I don't see why not. So right, and then does this just kill it? And then I can just generate a bunch of them. Oh, is it gone? I think I might have destroyed it. So like, I think this is great. And so what I want to do is build like, you know, how the pump handler going. And so game workspace sucker. And so that's fine. These can be on the front end, can they? Because like, what if people are able to replicate the sucker, you know? Like, you want everything handled in the server? I mean, why not? Right? Seems kind of laggy, maybe. I don't know. Well, because I can get delta t. I can give it an acceleration, so I think it's like a bit more. I can like fake an acceleration, kind of, to like, you know, velocity is what it was prior, kind of thing. So just overthinking it for sure, for sure. So I don't know. I was like kind of building it so it could pump faster and whatnot. All right, let me clip this real quick. Okay, so where we are basically is I have it, following you. It touches you. It sends a function saying who it touched, and you get a point in this game handler, and then it destroys itself. Um, I guess what I could do now, right, is um, make like a UI and see that change. But before I do that, or what I need to do now is that. But before I do that, I had this pump handler written for the other thing that was here, just chilling. Um, and what I wanted to do with this thing is basically, like just pump my particles. I don't know why I think about that so much. Sorry, got distracted by something. But so it pumps it, but I just need to adapt it a little bit and try to fix it. So once I get that going, because they destroy themselves, and I want it to just work, and also have a nice way of dynamically giving me a test. So that's what we're after. But we got it. Oh, oh well. It's okay. We'll just catch everyone up where we are. I kept pressing the wrong button. Okay. All right, hold on. I mean, the work's not gone. I just. Oh my god, I forgot my headphones again. All right. So let me get some music going real quick. Um, we got a viewer. Hello. I wonder who that is. It's a very great name. Gamer mode. Yeah, you know it. It's coder mode. Check this out. Actually, wait. You're not gonna be able to see it. It disappears. It's a little XP orb, chases you around. But yeah, I gotta figure it out. Yeah. Yeah. That is the hope. That is the goal, the dream. But I gotta figure out how to do it. You feel me? But I thought I was clipping everything I needed, and I wasn't, because I was gonna make a video after. So, let me give me like 30, let me like 15, 30 more minutes, and I'll definitely play some games. Is it Archer? Just text me. All right, I gotta do a little recap because I'm gonna record things and also post videos. So 1 second. All right, so basically what happened was wrote this particle handler, and what it did was, you had this influence sphere. When we get touched, we say this is our target player, and then every step of FPS, we move it towards the player. And when we touch the player, we say we're going to destroy it, and give the player a point. And now I need to basically pump out a bunch of these so I can get a bunch of points. And then I need to make UI. So that's what I'm after. And I'll hopefully figure it out. We'll find out. Who knows? No, I clicked the wrong button again. Oh my god. No. Oh well. I'll do that later. Okay, so get all this garbage. And then we're gonna get one of these. We're gonna get one of these and put it over here so I can do all this. And then, yeah, that works. Let's see, particle. Do we move it anywhere? Wait. Ball position. So, spewer position. Okay. And I think that'll work. Or we could do, we already said it. Name anchored. I don't think we need that. We could do, no. Say particle. And particle. And now pump for me. No, it's broken. What's the issue? Position is not a valid member of model test ball. That's fair, I think. I think that works. Well, no. What's the issue? It's not a valid. Okay. Nice. Nice. Whoa. Whoa. That's weird. That's so weird. Okay, you can still pick them up, kinda. I don't know what's happening. Hmm. Well, it's like pumping them out, but they were a little fucking wacky. That's weird. Um, like, what the what is it doing? Okay, that's pretty cool, but like, huh? Interesting. So I guess because it's cloning it. I mean, so like, what if I put it in replicated storage? Right. We say slime ball. I think you can still talk to the server, and then what do I want to do? I guess because now I changed where it is, so I have to say, well, not that, the slime ball. So maybe this is how I have to do it. What if I did that? Is that different? No, it was still going crazy. What if I? Because it's this that's making it move every time. Has a targeted player. I mean, is it this script? Does it just make one of these? I mean, does this have to be? I would hope that this would go to nil. Hmm. Oh, that's weird. Why is it going crazy like that? I don't want it to have any. Doesn't like that. Can't set it to that. What about that? No. Possible infinite yield. Oh, yeah. What? Why aren't they destroying it anymore? It's so weird. It's not quite what I want. I mean, like, it's ideal, but what the hell? I like the movement. It just, why does it shoot right at me? I guess it doesn't. I'd rather than pick it up. That's weird. Hmm. Because I'm like, I do like get service. Why'd I put it in here? I'm not gonna do that. Let's do. Does this work? Maybe something like this. I doubt it, but we'll find out. What the hell? Why do they go so far? What? Like, what are they doing? Like, they're not coming towards me. It's like only the one that flies out. They don't seem like none of them are working now. Huh. That is interesting. All right. I mean, maybe we like set this back to nil. Like, I mean, I guess it's the same script over and over again. Whoa. That's weird. I just wanted to like, like kind of just spew out a little bit. I don't want it to like fly towards me. That's so weird. I'm like nowhere near the. Why? Okay, so I don't do this, right? And I don't destroy it. And it follows me around all fine. Maybe the way that it's like. I don't know, it's weird. I guess it's not like the biggest thing to focus on, but I don't know. Not bad, not bad. I mean, it pumps them, it's cloning them. It just has wild, wacky behavior. I mean, I guess, like, okay, I guess that was my idea. Like, maybe because it's a server side script, it doesn't like that. I don't know. But, I mean, now it's in replicated storage, so I don't really know if that's going to make it any better. Oh, what the fuck? No, they're still weird. Flying way out. Okay. Alright, that sucks. Okay, so. Yeah, that's weird. I don't know. The only thing I think is like put it on the client, make it a local script. Is that a dangerous? Is that dangerous? Like, I have no idea. I don't know. It's interesting. Um, well, I don't know if that's the biggest thing to care about. So whatever. Let's get the score. Let's get however many I have in this label. So say like, I mean, I guess maybe like here, like whenever I add something, maybe I could call like update UI or something and like tell it to look for a change in player data, but then I have to give it player data. I mean, I could maybe have like a function. Can I do like public function? Probably not. Or can I do like, I guess I could have a function. Yeah, I guess I could do like, yeah, that works. So I'll have just a script that kind of runs the UI back here. That's like script. We'll call it UI handler. Oop. Wonderful. And this thing will basically, we're going to have another function, bindable function. Oh, no. We're not. No? For real? No? You only have one. No, what? Is it just not supposed to go in there? What? Weird. Well, okay. I mean, I'm just gonna make another one. Call it like update UI. And oh, I feel like this is really bad. I see what they're saying because it's like every touch I'm telling it to give it an update. I don't know. I could buffer it. But seems kind of weird. I'll just do this for now and figure it out. So we have the update UI. Do the same thing that is like this. We say oh, well, I didn't call it a function, but whatever. We'll say, function update UI with the player data. And, slime ball dot, or no, sorry. Update UI dot on invoke. And we will update the UI. Or no, sorry. Update UI. Oh. I guess we do this in the other one. So we say, and we'll invoke it here. That seems so bad, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. And for now, let's just go ahead and print our player data. And in here, whenever we update our player data, we will call our update UI function, get service, and we'll say update UI, and yeah, so update UI dot or invoke with player data. And I hope that just prints every time I pick up a slime ball, but we'll see. Let's see if we got any errors. Yes, we did. Slime ball is not. Oh, fair enough. I did move it. I don't want to do that. So I meant, okay. Whoa. Nil. Oh. Yeah, okay. I don't know why they're not destroying. It's giving me points. That's fine. Oh, I got rid of it. Okay. Okay. And so now that should give me a point. Well, I don't know. I mean, it didn't. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Cool. Cool. And so now what I want to do is, I guess I can reference like wherever. Yeah, I think I can do like, I don't know if I did do what's it called, like label game get service. Like, do we get the starter GUI? Okay. Dot text. And I guess, can we set the text to be, I don't know, let's just say, like, what does it look like if I say player data? Like, it probably doesn't like it. I don't know. We'll see. Nah, I definitely got an error. Yeah, okay. Whoa. Okay, stop. Stop. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of errors. That was not ideal. I'm guessing maybe it doesn't like that I'm just trying to give it this thing. But then I don't know how to set labels, dude. Let me see. Yeah. Update. Is that not what I did? I mean, I guess does it have to be string? Interesting. Um, I mean, I know my name, so like, we can just do this for the sake of testing. Say, well, we'll say if uh, then I don't know. Just give me the number, I guess, or label dot text. Give me the number, maybe. Hopefully that works. Well, it definitely didn't change it, but I don't think there's errors. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I don't know. That's weird. Uh, I really don't know. Like, what if I just set it to like, I don't know, just set it to hey. I mean, that didn't work either. Okay. Like, that doesn't help. So weird. Whoa. Yeah, okay. I don't know. Oh well. I think I got pretty far. I'm gonna wrap it up. No. No, it didn't. Definitely didn't. Um, I'm just trying to, so it's like behind this. You can't really see it. It's this label. See this white box? I just want that to be like a little score counter for you. That's all. But it doesn't work. And also, this thing's fucked up. It's supposed to look like this. It's supposed to like, if we do this, they're like supposed to be little XP orbs. So they're supposed to chase you, you know? Like when there's a bunch of them, you know, so they all gather and then it's a nice boost serotonin to your head. But whenever I try to make a bunch of them, they all get messed up. So I don't know, it's weird. But oh well, far enough. Figure it out. Get on Warzone if you have it. I'm gonna play with some with Archer. I don't know if you got it.